Today's video is a Protein World unboxing. Stay tuned. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing to do. So the brand Protein World contacted me and asked if I wanted to be one of their ambassadors. And yeah, I kind of jumped at the chance. I bit their hand off and said, hell yeah, bring it on. So yeah, they've sent me a few little bits here and there so I can do an unboxing on my channel to show you. And that's exactly what we are going to do. They have given me a discount code for you guys. This discount code gets you 40% off their website. How amazing is that? That is so cool. It is PW Joanne B. I will link the website down below in the information box, and I will pop my code there as well. Make sure to use it to get that 40% off. It is an affiliate link, so anything that I earn from that, it's a very small percentage. Anything I earn from that goes straight back into my channel. It just helps my channel to keep running. They do subscriptions, so when you buy something on their website, they sell loads of stuff, by the way. Definitely check them out. When you buy something from their website, you can choose to subscribe where you get it for a cheaper cost. The discount code does not work on that. But if you go on their website and you just want to buy something like one-offs here and there, this is where the code steps in, and yeah, you can use it to get the 40% off, which is hella good. So if you are one of my regular watchers, you may remember me talking about how I wanted to lose weight a little while ago. And me being the queen of procrastination, yeah, I've put it off and put it off and put it off, and yeah. But this has come at an excellent time, because what better way to get this weight loss journey started than becoming an ambassador for Protein World. Kind of forces me into it, which is great. I am super excited. So let's have a look at the bits that they have sent me. I've already had a bit of a sneak peek in here, and I've already used my own discount code. I went on the website and I bought a few more bits. So yes, I've already put my code to good use. But yes, let's have a look at the bits that they've sent me and we'll have a little chat about them. So let's open this up. So first things first, what am I going to bring out first? Let's go, oh yeah, let's have a look at this one. So this is the first item that they have sent me. So this is the Slender Mud Cake Mix, and this is the limited edition one, and it is in the flavour chocolate biscuit flavour. How yummy does that look, by the way? So each mug cake is 149 calories. So if you are getting a bit of a sweet tooth going, this is the way to nip that in the bud straight away for 149 calories. That's quite cool. So in here there's 500 grams of mix. It is low in sugar, high in fibre. On the back here it tells you that there is 12 servings in a pack, which is really quite cool. This mug is part of the Slender plan, which combines all you've ever wanted from a weight loss plan and more. So yeah, tasty treat, anybody, and you can feel good about it. No guilty feelings here. So yeah, next week I'm gonna do a video. I'm on Monday actually. I'm gonna start my little weight loss journey using these products, and I'm gonna film how to use the products, do some taste testing, and see what we think of them. So really can't wait for that. So yeah, chocolate. This one's heavy. Next we have this. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my god. So this is the Slender Porridge. Again, it is limited edition, and this is double chocolate flavour. That just looks so gooey and delightful and yummy and yum. So per serving there's 201 calories, which again I think is really good. And if you're anybody like me, I have a sweet tooth, and I need everything I can to kill that sweet tooth desperately. So if I can have something sweet just to nip that in the bud, yes, I need it desperately. But in my next video, when I show you how to make these products and do taste testings, we'll go in a bit more detail about them. But just guys, how yummy does that look? It's so good. Again, low in sugar, high in protein. Next we have this. So this is the Slender Pancake Mix. Let's have a look. This is 200 calories per serving, and it's just the original flavour. Again, low in sugar, high in protein. So if I'm totally honest with this one, I don't like pancakes. I really don't like pancakes. So I don't know. I think I'll still make them and try them. But as it stands at the moment, I don't like pancakes. If I end up liking these, then there must be something spectacular in here. But as a rule, I don't like them. If I don't eat them, my husband and son will, because they love them. So there is 10 servings in here. But yeah, low in sugar, high in protein. I must admit though, they do look a bit scrummy. But yeah, we have them, and there's 500 grams of mix in here. When I got my bits and bobs from Protein World, I had a little nosy in, and I noticed, because I actually want to make a go of doing the Slender plan, and I thought, oh, there's no shakes in there. So I thought, okay, well, I've got the 40% off code. Let's use my own code and go on the site and get some stuff. So I picked up a few bits. The first item I picked up was this. I thought, because I don't really like pancakes, as I say, I'll give them a go. I thought, let's get something else I know I will like. Waffles. I love, love, love waffles. So in here there's 184 calories per serving. It's original flavour, no added sugar, high in protein. Look how nice that is. There's 500 grams of powder in here, which is basically 10 servings. I thought, I've got to get some shakes, because that's the type of thing I was looking into. So the first lot of shakes I got was this. So again, it's all from the Slender range. So this is the Slender blend, 200 calories in per serving, and I got it in the flavour mint chocolate, or chocolate mint, same thing. So they do 2 different size bags. They do a 1.8 kilo bag, which is 45 servings, which lasts for 1 month, or they do the 1.2 kilo bag, which is a half a month, where you get 30 servings in here. I opted to get the smaller one because obviously I don't know what flavours I like or anything like that, and I thought I don't want to limit myself to just one flavour, so I got 2 of the smaller ones. So yeah, this is, like I said, the chocolate mint flavour. I got another shake. So the other shake I got is this one. They had a few vanilla flavours, and I'm obsessed with vanilla. I love the vanilla taste. And yeah, the one I got was vanilla ice cream flavour. I couldn't resist. I just couldn't resist. So I have a few bits here to get me started. Oh, this is kicking in now. This is real. This is real. But if you are interested in my little weight loss journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and hit the little bell. When you hit the little bell, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos, so you can keep up to date with what I'm doing. Scoops are also included. Hey guys, so this is all the bits all together. So again, just to remind you, these bits here, the porridge, the mug cake and the pancake mix were gifted. I did not pay for them. They were gifted. These 3 items here I bought myself using my own code. Again, if you want to use my code, it's down below in the information box. I'll pop it in the comment box. It gets you 40% off. 40. I really can't get over that. It's such a huge saving. Yeah, so starting on Monday, I am going to start my Slender Plan diet and see what weight I can shift. So if that is something you find interesting and you would like to keep up to date on how I get on, hit that subscribe button, baby. Come and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos, so you can keep track of me. And yeah, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But for today's video, that concludes this video. So I will see you again later. Bye.